Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tow-Rax removable wheel chock. Hardware is included with the unit. The wheel chock is going to help stabilize your motorcycle, dirt bike, or other small vehicle for transport. This is designed to work with tires that have a width up to 6.5 inches. It's also going to feature the keyhole slots. That's going to let you easily remove the chock to free up space when it's not being used. It's made from a tubular steel construction. It's going to create a strong, durable system, and it's got a really nice chrome finish, which is very stylish, and it's going to be corrosion and rust resistant. Now this unit's going to feature a 3-point mounting system. The mounting hardware is included for installing this on a wood or metal floor. The mounting bases, that's going to be these 3 units right here. These are going to install in your wood or metal floor. Wood floor is going to require 3 7/16 inch diameter holes to be drilled. Metal floor is going to require 3 9/16 inch diameter holes to be drilled. So you would drill the holes in your application or in the mounting base and then install the bases with the arm. I'm calling this piece right here the arm. You'd place that in with the arm down in the hole. For wood floors, the bases will actually screw into the flooring, and you can do that by using a 5/16 inch Allen key. Then you can secure the base in place with the additional hardware, 3 units per base. Then what you would do is you would place the chock on the base. So if this was set up and drilled in, you'd have it looking something like this. So you'd place this onto the bases, and once you have those holes lined up, you would secure the chock to the mounting base with the 3 larger bolts. It would simply thread into the unit, place all 3 in, then you would slide it back, and then finish tightening down the bolt using a 3/16 inch Allen key. When you're ready to remove the chock, simply loosen up the bolts, slide that back up to where the bolts enter the keyhole, the large part of the keyhole slot, and then you can remove the chock, which would just leave the mounting bases on the mounting surface. So it's a really nice, quick, easy design. The dimensions of the unit, we're going to take a few moments just to go over some of the measurements. If we take a look at the overall length, measuring from edge to edge, that's going to give us a measurement. Looks to measure about 12 1/4 of an inch long. The overall width, that's going to measure, looks to be about 8 3/8 of an inch wide. And then the overall height to this point here. Now the height I'm giving you is as if it was installed on the base. That would measure about 8.5 inches tall. So you can see right here it's a little under 8.5 inch. If it was sitting on those bases, it would add the additional fractions of an inch to make it about 8.5 inches tall. The mounting holes on the unit, again, it's going to have 3 mounting areas. If we take a diagonal measurement, I'm taking a look at this one up here, back to this one right here. The placement of actually where the bolts would be, that's going to be separated by about 7 1/4 of an inch diagonal measurement. And then going straight across this direction, they're going to be separated on center apart from one another by 5.5 inches. The mounting arms, these are going to be separated on center apart from one another. That looks to measure about 6 3/4 of an inch. And then the mounting bases, those are going to give us a diameter of 2 inches. But once you have this installed, you simply bring the unit of what you're wanting to secure, so the wheel would roll into this area here. Has a nice little indentation up here to firmly secure the wheel, and that's really going to help stabilize your motorcycle, dirt bike, or other small vehicle when you're ready for transport. That's going to do it for today's look at the Tow-Rax removable wheel chock with the included hardware.